Hi, this is my customer review for the Jura Impressa J85 Bean to Cup coffee machine. It was from AO and the delivery was exceptional as I got informed every step of the way by text alerts and a final call to say it will be here in around 15 to 20 minutes and was delivered as promised. It was very easy to set up and the instructions were easy to understand and follow for a first-time user of a bean-to-cup coffee machine. As stylish and simple as it looks, it really was easy to make my first cup of cappuccino out of it at the touch of a button. At the very back you have the bean container with an aroma preservation cover, and to the left you have the removable water tank with an easy to set up water filter. I just followed the instructions and it was ready to go. And to the right you have the grinder adjustment switch, which has 4 settings and a spoon for the ground coffee in case you decide to use decaffeinated coffee and the like. And here's where you store your hot water nozzle, which I didn't get with the machine. And here you have the filler funnel for the ground coffee. You can use only 2 spoonfuls at a time. And this is the on-off button and the rotary switch to choose your specialty coffee, and this is the programming button. To the left you have the latte and cappuccino frother, which is height adjustable, and on the center you have the coffee and espresso spouts, which is also height adjustable, and you can also adjust the width of it to make up to 2 coffees at a time. And there are buttons at either side of the display to choose your options when setting up the machine, choosing your specialty coffee or cleaning the system, etc. It's pretty easy to navigate and set up, which I've already done on mine. So I'll show you how it works when you switch on the machine. This is the power button. It's one touch power button, so easy to use. And this is how it starts up. It does a simple cleaning before it starts making coffee. It cleans the spouts and the cappuccino frother. It's heating up now. It's rinsing the machine. It does that every time you start up the machine. And now you can make your preferred drink. It's so easy. You just have to choose what you want using this rotary switch. I'll show you all the options available. You can even get hot water and hot milk out of it, the temperature of which could be adjusted per personal preference. And now I'll show you how to make a cappuccino, which is my favorite drink so far. I'm not a fan of coffee. Once you have placed the cup under the cappuccino frother, you have to turn the setting wheels to the milk foam position. This is the milk position, and this is the steam position which you need when rinsing the machine during maintenance. And then you have to remove the protective cover from the cappuccino frother, which I have already removed, and then connect the milk tube. And then you have to put the other end into your milk glass or your milk carton. And then once you are ready to go, you can choose cappuccino from the options in the menu, and there you go. It's already preset, so you don't have to do any adjustment unless you need a stronger cappuccino. I prefer the way it is. the milk foam coming in. And now the coffee for the cappuccino. And there it's done. The same applies to making a latte, but for espresso and coffee you won't need to set the milk up. Just keep the cup ready under the coffee spout and then press the appropriate button from the menu. And when switching off, the machine auto cleans the spouts, so make sure to place 2 glasses under the coffee spout and the cappuccino frother each. Otherwise you might end up having water all over your worktop. And then press the on off button and there you go. The milk system is being rinsed. You can see in the display what's happening. And it's switched itself off. Now that the machine has auto cleaned itself, all you have to do is pull out the drip tray and empty the coffee grounds container and the drip tray, which has a lot of water in it from the auto clean, and then you have to rinse them with warm water and dry with kitchen towels and refit. You have to rinse and refill the water tank with clean water each day, and also dismantle and rinse the cappuccino frother as part of the daily maintenance. You can find clear, easy to follow instructions for setting up, running and cleaning the machine on the instructions booklet provided. Make sure to read it all before you start so you know how to maintain this classic coffee machine for optimal results. I hope you enjoyed watching my review, and a big thank you to AO for this fantastic opportunity.